Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am over here with you with the third lecture related to the chapter television versus newspaper. In the first lecture I have given you out the complete grammatical detail of all these objectives which are present in front of you. In the second lecture I have given you out all the details of all the passages that are present in the unit television versus newspaper. Now I am coming towards the exercise. In this lecture we will discuss the complete exercise, and in the exercise the first thing is the vocabulary or the glossary. In the glossary the words are over here and you can read it all from your book also. While we are going to read the activities that are related to the vocabulary, the first activity is that you have to give the meanings of the following words, and the meanings of these words are over here on the screen, but I have given you out these meanings before in the previous lecture with their complete grammatical description and with their sentences. You can go back to my lecture and you can take help from that lecture to completely prepare out these words. The first activity is that you have to tell the meanings of the following words. I have given you out all these meanings over here. And the second activity is that they have given you out some words. You have to prepare the noun from these words and then you have to make the sentences from these words. So this activity is over here on the screen and I am going to discuss and describe these words in front of you. The first word is relevant. Its noun is relevance. And its sentence is, this speech has no relevance with the topic. Interested. Its noun is interest. Do not take interest in other matters. Require. Its noun is requirements. Note down your requirements for match. Convenient. Its noun is convenience. I have convenience of working at home. Effective. Its noun is effect. Father's advice had no effect on him. Okay students, the next activity is related to the comprehension. You have to analyze the comprehension pattern and the unit of the unit completely, and then you have to choose the correct option. The activity is over here in front of you and I am going to explain this activity with the solution in front of you. The first sentence is in paragraph 1. The topic sentence is supported through the facts. A option is right. Second sentence is in paragraph 2 shows that watching news on television is dash. The answer is not as convenient. The third sentence is the key idea of paragraph 4 is, the answer is reading newspaper is more convenient than watching television. Sentence number 4 is paragraph 5 dash. The answer is gives argumentation in favor of television. Sentence 5. Television news is like having a fast food meal, whereas reading newspaper is like having a 10-course dinner. This sentence is an example of dash. The answer is simile. Now I am coming towards the sixth question. Paragraph 6 concludes that dash. The answer is we should use both medium of information. Okay students, the next activity related to the comprehension is that you have to give out 3 differences and 3 similarities in between the electronic media and the print media. I have given you out a lot of differences and a lot of similarities while we have analyzed the chapter passage by passage in my previous lecture, but I am going to give you a precise answer of this activity over here on the screen. Here I have given you out 3 similarities. The first similarity is that both of these are news media. The second similarity is that both of these are time consuming, and the third similarity is that both of these are infotainment. Now I am coming towards the differences. The first difference is the difference of speed. The second difference is the difference that one medium is electronic and one medium is print medium. And the third difference is that Reading is required while TV is visual and auditory. Now I am coming towards the next activity, and the answer questions are given on the screen, and I am going to describe these questions and answers in front of you. The first question is that how is a newspaper more convenient medium of news? Newspaper is a more convenient medium of news because we can study newspaper at any time and at any place. The second question is that now does a viewer get restricted while watching TV news? Television required its viewer to be at a certain place and at a certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. If a viewer has to leave his place, he gets restricted watching TV news. In what way reviewing news on television is easier than reading a newspaper? Watching news on television is just like to have an entertainment. Everything is visual and auditory. Much mastery of language is also not necessary. Therefore, viewing news on TV is easier than reading of newspaper. Now I am coming towards question number 4. How do newspapers give us more in-depth coverage? Newspapers give detailed news, they give expert views and analysis, they also print different views of common people. In this way, newspapers give us more in-depth coverage. Question number 5. Why do some people read more than one newspaper? They read more than one newspaper to get different viewpoints about news and to check for its validity. Question number 6. How can readers give the feedback to the newspaper offices? Readers can give feedback to the articles by writing to the forum pages. Which medium do you prefer for news and why? Each medium has strength that the other doesn't. I like to read newspaper. I also like to watch television. Okay students, now we have to come towards the grammar activities. In the grammar activities, we have to learn the grammar objectives completely, and these grammatical objectives which are important from this unit, I have given you out a complete and detailed note about all these objectives. The first activity is that you have to put out a suitable appropriate modal verb in the given sentences. I have given you out this activity over here on the in the solved form. The first sentence is we dashed to borrow umbrella so we did not get wet. We had to borrow umbrella. The second sentence is I was so far from the stage that I dashed see very well, that I could see very well. The third sentence is that he sees very badly. He dashed wear glasses all the time. He has to wear glasses all the time. You dash drive fast, there is speed limit here. You must not drive fast, there is a speed limit here. We dash drive fast, we have plenty of time. We should not drive fast, we have plenty of time. The second activity is in front of you. You have to put out the exact form of verb in the sentences which have been given to you out. Sentence number 2, the words dashed by the teacher today. The words are explained by the teacher today. This road dashed because of snow. This road is already closed because of snow. The dishes dashed by my brother. The dishes are not being washed by my brother. I dash by the principal. I am not called by the principal. And now I am coming towards the conditional sentences. Put the correct form of the verb to make first conditional sentences. If you get back late, I will be angry. If we wait here, we will be late. If we go on holiday this summer, we will go to Ziyarat. If the weather does not improve, we will not have a picnic. They will go to the party if they are invited. Okay students, after completing all these activities one by one, now I am coming towards the writing skills. And in the writing skills, they have asked us to write out the précis of paragraph number 4. Here on the screen, I have given you out the précis of paragraph number 4. Watching TV news needs to plenty of time. It needs one to be seated at one place. People even basic knowledge of a language can have full understanding of TV news are visual and auditory, and whereas newspaper requires proper knowledge of a language. Okay students, while reading this précis, you will have to learn that I have used very simple words and I have completely grasped out the knowledge which is present in paragraph number 4, and I have given you out the complete information in a complete, clear and compact form. So this is the type and this is the way to write a précis. You have to go and solve an activity. What is that activity? You have to write out the précis of any two passages from this unit, so that you will be able to write out the précis in a more effective form. Okay students, you have to write out an essay on the effects of electronic media and print media. I have given you out a complete detailed essay over here with different type of headings. You can grasp out this essay from here, and you can take help from the previous lecture where I have discussed all the passages one by one to add or delete some information from this essay. You can add some quotations also to make it more enhancing and more impressive. It will surely help you to attain more and more marks in the paper. Okay students, this lecture will surely help you to understand the exercise completely. In the next lecture, I will be with you with the next chapter related to your English book of 10th class. Till then, you have to wait for me. Keep in touch and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.